John Glenn wasted no time in returning to the plant where his spacecraft had been built. Mr. Mack summoned the team.
This is Mack calling all the team. We are gathered here around our Mercury spacecraft number 13, a number now full of meaning for our team. Number 13 came home to St. Louis last night. Number 13 came home, but only to stay briefly, because she has now made history. Therefore, joyous we are today to have with us John Glenn, who stands here representative of the 7 astronauts for whom Friendship 7 was named.
Mr. Mack paid special tribute to all the engineers. With all due respect to all the engineers, it took a lot of you that I'm looking at here today to put the actual hardware together. And I know that the way it was put together and the way the mission worked out, there was more went into it than just a wage that you were earning here in the plant. Your hearts went into it as ours did down at the Cape, too. For that, I thank you very much.